Authentise Flows enables the creation of customized workflows and detailed work instructions tailored to specific customer requirements. Using the Add Workflow feature in the Plan tab, users can select the appropriate printer type, define post-processing steps, and rearrange or remove steps to suit their production needs. Work instructions can be added by specifying the task description, type of input expected, thresholds, and desired outputs, including warnings or errors. Every instruction can be marked as either mandatory or optional, allowing flexibility while maintaining control over shop floor execution. Once the workflow and commands are finalized, users can create an order, fill in the required details, assign the workflow, and save the configuration. In addition to production workflows, Authentise also supports the creation of prep workflows, which allow for customized cross-functional task coordination across departments. These workflows include prep tasks that can be described, reordered, and assign estimated durations and dwell times to ensure efficient planning and execution.